Today we're going to show you how to link your social media accounts to your blog using Elementor in your WordPress website. Hey there, welcome to Giddy Developer. My name is Giddy and I am a WordPress web developer. And today we're going to show you how to put internal links or your social media accounts such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and more to one of your blogs using Elementor in your WordPress website. Let's get started. So I've opened here the dashboard of my website, giddeveloper.com, and I wanted to put or link my social media accounts to one of the blogs in this website. So what I'm going to do is to click post and choose the blog or the article that I'm going to link my social media accounts. So I'm going to choose my fourth article, The Advantage of WordPress Website Development for Businesses to Succeed Online. And I'm going to edit this with Elementor. So I'm going to click Edit with Elementor. And then we're going to wait for this to load. Okay, now, so we are here in the article, and what we're going to do is to put social media links below this article for the readers or the visitors to easily connect with us using our social media account. So what I'm going to do here is to add another section. So we're going to drag inner section to this section here, and then we have to add the text and then drag this on this section, and I'm going to type here follow us on for them to know what my social media accounts were. And then I'm going to adjust this. I'm gonna delete this section for this one to be centered. So I'm gonna click alignment and then center. Okay, so now let's proceed to the social media icons that we're going to link. What we're going to do is to click this and then insert section, and then here click Elementor and then look for the social media icons. I think it is below. Okay, so it's here, social media icons. I'm going to click and drag this to this section. Okay, so there it is. There is Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube icon. So what we're going to do is to align this by deleting this column. Okay, so it's now in the center. So now that we have Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube icon in our blog, what we're going to do is to edit this by clicking, and as what you can see here the social icons, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So what we're going to do is to copy the URL of our social media accounts and paste it into this. Okay, so first we are going to link our Facebook account. So we're going to click the Facebook, and then as you can see here, there's a link box. This is where we're going to paste the URL of our Facebook account. So we're going to go to our Facebook account. So I have opened here my Facebook account. We're going to copy the URL here above. Copy and then paste it onto the Elementor, the link box. Paste it. Next is Twitter. So we're going to click Twitter and then go to your Twitter account, copy the URL above, and then paste it to the link box here in the Elementor. Next is YouTube. So click YouTube and go to your YouTube account, copy the URL of your YouTube account, and then paste it to the Elementor. Okay, so that's it. So as you can see, we have already linked the Facebook, Twitter, YouTube social media accounts to our blog. So what if we are going to put another social media accounts such as Instagram or LinkedIn? So what we're going to do is to click the add item. So the default here is WordPress, but we are going to change this into our Instagram account. So what we're going to do is to click this icon library and then search for Instagram. Click the Instagram icon and then insert. Click insert. Okay, so there it is. So what we're going to do next is to go to our Instagram account, copy the URL of our Instagram account, and then paste it to the Elementor. Okay, so there it is. As you can see, there's an Instagram icon in our blog. Okay, so what we're going to do next is to add our LinkedIn account. So same procedure, click add item, and then change this WordPress into LinkedIn by clicking icon library, and then we're going to type LinkedIn. Click this icon and then insert. And then go to our LinkedIn account, copy the URL, and then paste it on our Elementor. And then, as you can see, there is a LinkedIn icon here on our blog. And then update and wait for it to load. So in order for you to see the final output, you just have to click the preview changes that is beside the update button, and then you will see how it looks like in your website. So in the bottom part of this article or blog, you can see the social media icons that we have linked in this blog. So if you click this Facebook, you will be redirected to the Facebook account. So click this, and then as you can see, you are redirected to your Facebook account. So is with Twitter. If you click Twitter, you will be redirected to your Twitter account. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and see you on my next vlog. Thank you.